I'm Joanna Benz.
And I'm Ian Hutchinson. We're excited to present to you these two new highlights from BMW Motorrad. The ultimate sports bike, the S1000RR, and also the naked sister, the S1000R.
Both models set benchmark in their segment.
The RR is the epitome of a superbike. I love to ride this bike. The performance and the handling is perfect.
The S1000R is a real powerhouse reduced to the essentials. Maximum performance with 165 horsepower. There is no doubt that the R has the same DNA as the RR.
You can instantly feel the power of this bike, whilst BMW have kept the same performance and fulfilled the new EU4 regulations. It is made to go on a racetrack, but it is also an unbelievable bike to ride in an urban environment.
The story of the S1000R continues with its high-performance four-cylinder inline engine that's derived from the RR.
That's true. The engine on the RR still has 199 horsepower.
The look of the new S1000R is now even more aggressive with its tail-up, nose-down design, the AHP titanium exhaust, and the typical sporty rear from the RR. The reduced side panels underline its naked look. The bike is extremely versatile. The riding modes rain and road come with ABS and ASC as standard. On top, there are two packages available for individual needs. The package Dynamic contains DDC, LED indicators, and the engine spoiler. The package Sport brings Shift Assistant Pro, ABS Pro, DTC, Pit Lane Limiter, Launch Control, and the Riding Modes Pro, the Dynamic and the customizable Dynamic Pro.
The appearance of the RR is light, clear, and dynamic at first sight. The design is razor sharp, and the volume of the contours are perfectly balanced. For every path and every rider, the S1000RR comes with three modes: rain, sport, and race. ABS and DTC also come as standard, with ABS Pro also available in Riding Mode Pro. New are also the colours: metallic granite grey with metallic black storm, racing red with light white, and also the BMW Motorsport colours, which come standard with the red stripe wheels.
The S1000R comes in three schemes: the racing red, black storm metallic combination, Catalana grey, and the Motorsports colours.
The RR and the BMW S1000R combine not only their genes, but also the message, conquer the road and the racetrack.